In our January interview configuration release, we've added a couple new features. We've added a mortgage calculator and 2 new product screens in the admin area. We've also added several enhancements. We've added a document request grace period. We've added a company name to the loan summary PDF. And we've updated the e-sign date format. In Zenly, under the user profile icon is our interview configuration option. Our first new feature is the addition of the mortgage calculator. This will be defaulted to on and will have default verbiage. But you're able to turn this option off and change the verbiage to show with the calculator if you choose. This calculator will display in 2 different areas, the company main page and the loan originator's landing page. On the company main page, it will be below the Apply Now button, and on the loan originator's landing page, it will show out to the right of the Get Started button. There are simple loan terms which will provide a monthly principal and interest payment. There are also advanced payment options that can be added. And as you add these additional costs, they will add to the pie chart with their respective colors. You can also view the payment schedule monthly or change it to total and see the overall payment schedule. If you add additional payments or interest only, you'll see that change in the payment schedule below. The next new feature is the product area. The product's introduction will give the ability to add in verbiage about products that you offer to the new product screen. If you want to have these messages show on your products page, you would need to select the on. You have an introduction area which will show above any products you create, and a footer which will show below. I've added in some text here so we can see how that will look. At the bottom, we also have a preview button to allow you to see how that would look. You can see on this page the text that we entered as the introduction and the text that we put as the footer. We have a placeholder of no product yet since we have not created those. Let's go back into our point of sale and to the next product screen, Product Details. This is where you'll create the products that you want to show your customers. To add a new product, click on the New Loan Product button. This will open the Loan Product Information screen and allow you to enter the product information. The product name is what will show on the product screen. I'm going to create a conventional loan, and in the description you can enter information you'd like your borrower to know about the product. There's also an area to put in loan details and ARM adjustments. To make any edits to the product, you can double-click the link to the product name and it will open. You can also rearrange the order your borrower sees the products on your page by dragging. There's a preview button at the bottom so you can view what that will look like as well while you're creating these products. The products page will display in 2 locations. One is the loan originator's landing page. On the top right, there's a product option. If you click this, it will open up the loan products page and show the introduction, the footer, and then the products that we have created. The borrower can click on the product box and expand and see more of the information that you may have entered. The other location that this new page will be displayed is on the company main page, and it will also be at the top right of the screen. Our first enhancement is that we've added a grace period to the document request. Let me go to the settings area and the document templates. This is where you can add a list of documents you want your borrowers to send you after they've submitted their application. In here, if you set the document as required, then a 7-day grace period will automatically be added to the document. You can change the number of days in the box here. By adding the grace period to the required documents, this document will be added to the borrower's dashboard to-do list, and they will receive a reminder email on it. If a document request is completed after the application has been submitted and there's no due date selected, the system will automatically put a 7-day grace period on it, which will add it to the borrower's dashboard to-do list and send out a reminder email for them. If a due date is selected, then there will be no 7-day grace period added. Another enhancement we added is the company name to the loan summary PDF. This will show at the top of the PDF document. We've also updated the e-sign date format, so documents like the 4506C will no longer have any issues with the submission and the date placement. If you have any questions, please reach out to our dedicated customer support at 1-800-342-2599.